I am Michael, burning bright. We are around. The angelic frequency is very much connecting to the earth. The angelic frequency is very much opening inside your beings. Take a moment to think of that chakra again that was given to you in the number coming into your awareness, and place your hands around, near, outside of that chakra. Not necessary to touch the body, and perhaps you received the greater vibration in 7 and 8. If so, you have no part of the body to really touch anyway. But let the hands hover around the 4th chakra, the 3rd, the 1st, the 2nd, whatever needed that vibration. This is a space in your being that is open to receive the vibration of light, that is transforming in a new way. This is a space in your being that is understanding the divine nature within your being and the divine nature within all things. And this, my friends, includes suffering. This includes pain and violence. Once you understand the seed of divine in yourself, you are much more able to discern with compassion and to see through the suffering, the terror, the pain, the injustice, and to see it in a greater balance, in a greater wholeness, and to know that world that you exist in now is moving towards that. I am Michael, burning bright. The angelic energy is with you tonight. Open the palms and send up your prayers in silence to the angel or angels, myself included, that you wish to have guide you, protect you, be with you,